Milton, where doing is believing. This highly reputed, well established company now has a modern outlook, a fresh new perspective, and new ways. With more movement and extra dynamism, transforming from traditionalism to modernizing and moving with the times of the day. For years, Milton has successfully launched many consumer durables and has won many accolades and awards for his outstanding performance, commitment, and quality. Manufacturing to ISO 9001 quality standards, Milton products are a translation of its belief. Quality and innovation is the key to success at Milton. The two aspects have been an integral part of the company ever since the inception of the company. It is these two important factors that have also led to the growth of the company and marked its presence in the corporate sector as well as in the minds of the consumer. In fact, today, Milton is synonymous with quality and innovation, and it is this that gives it an edge over its competition. Today, Milton has a very strong and organized infrastructure and system, keeping pace with the state of the art technology. A vast pool of trained and highly motivated professionals ensure that each product measures up to the highest quality standards. The Japanese technology of Kaizen is practiced throughout the plant so as to ensure that human ability is matched by overall production capabilities. Constant retraining of manpower ensures high skills level and a committed workforce. Every small detail is looked into before it reaches the retailer and the distributor. Over the years, Milton has maintained a strong bond with its dealers, distributors, and the agents. A committed partnership based on mutual understanding and commitment to one another has made Milton's distributors and dealers stick by the company for long years. At Milton, we believe in nurturing and cherishing a lifelong relationship with everyone who's associated directly or indirectly with the company. Milton is driven by its firm belief that world-class quality can spell world-class success. The outlets displays the entire range of Milton's products, from plasticware, thermoware, water jugs, casseroles, lunch boxes, and others. It is here that one can get to see a full view of the many sub-brands of Milton and its range of products. Using advanced computer systems to ideate, create, and design. It is the blend of human ability and advanced technology that gives Milton an edge over its competitors. Milton has spread his wing far and wide. For years, Milton has used popular celebrities as product endorsers, always taking a face that captures the brand's personality and also identifies with the target audience. Today, its presence can be seen across continents. The company's biggest asset is its workforce. Milton has a dynamic and aggressive workforce who are forever creating, innovating through an understanding of the market and its customer. And once again, it has launched a new range, Trio Glassware, an imported range that is elegantly designed yet easily affordable. A range that is sure to enhance dining tables across India with its elegant looks and sheer convenience. Making this product easily available is the exclusive Trio Point, where Trio products will be exclusively available. Yet another product extension is MicroSafe, the complete cook and serve microware specially designed for Indian cooking. A brand that exposes the multi-utility aspect of microwave products in a fast-paced life, making it more convenient and thus adding comfort and ease to a happy life. In today's fast-paced life, the need to constantly stay healthy is of paramount importance, and helping achieve that is a good eating habit. Milton has gone beyond the conventional definition of cookware and today translates the need through its entire range of products, from plastics to glassware, all matching up to world quality standards and ensuring a better life for all of us. Milton, doing through its beliefs.